Still saying nice clothes? Welcome to our countdown of fashion-forward vocabulary. Get ready to speak like a stylist, influencer, or designer and level up your style game. Today we cover 3 levels of fashion vocabulary. Beginner for everyday items and comfort, intermediate for trends, designers and styling terms, and advanced for runway and haute couture concepts. You will hear sample sentences to practice speaking, follow visual examples as we sort closets and describe styles, and finish with a quick quiz to test your new words. Let's get stylish. First word is clothes. Clothes. This is a noun that means items you wear on your body like shirts, pants, and dresses. We will give 2 sample sentences, and you can practice saying them out loud.
She packed her favorite clothes for the weekend trip.
Always check the weather before choosing your clothes.
Next word is outfit. Outfit. This is a noun meaning a set of clothes put together for an occasion. Try the 2 sample sentences to practice saying the word.
She chose a casual outfit for brunch with friends.
The stylist created a bold evening outfit for the runway show.
Next word is fashion. Fashion. It's a noun referring to popular styles in clothing and appearance. Listen to the sample sentences and repeat them out loud.
Streetwear has become an important part of modern fashion.
She studies fashion magazines to find inspiration for her designs.
Next word is attractive. Attractive. This adjective means pleasing to look at or appealing. Try saying the sample sentences aloud.
The boutique window displayed an attractive coat that caught every passerby's eye.
She chose an attractive accessory to brighten her outfit.
Next word is comfortable. Comfortable. This adjective means relaxed and physically at ease. Practice the 2 sample sentences out loud.
He prefers comfortable sneakers for long days of walking.
The designer mixed style and comfort to make the dress both pretty and comfortable.
Next word is stylish. Stylish. This adjective describes someone or something with a strong sense of fashion and good taste. Try the sample sentences to feel the word.
Her stylish blazer made a simple outfit look expensive.
The cafe's stylish interior made it a favorite spot for influencers.
Next word is trendy. Trendy. This adjective means following the latest fashion trends. Repeat the sample sentences to practice the word.
She always shops at stores that sell the most trendy pieces.
The influencer posted a photo wearing a trendy hat that quickly sold out online.
Next word is casual. Casual. As an adjective, it means relaxed and informal. And as a noun, it can mean casual wear. Say the sample sentences out loud to practice.
The company has a casual dress code on Fridays.
He picked a casual look for a weekend coffee date.
Next word is formal. Formal. This adjective means suitable for official events or special occasions. Practice saying the sample sentences.
He wore a formal suit to the awards ceremony.
The invitation requested formal attire for the wedding.
Next word is designer. Designer. As a noun, it refers to a creator of clothing or accessories, and as an adjective, it describes high-end branded items. Try the sample sentences aloud.
She saved up to buy a handbag from a famous designer label.
The designer presented a new capsule collection inspired by street art.
Next word is wardrobe. Wardrobe. This noun means the collection of clothes someone owns, or the furniture that stores them. Practice the sample sentences.
She refreshed her summer wardrobe with light linen pieces.
A stylist helped him build a versatile work wardrobe.
Next word is tailored. Tailored. It describes clothing made or altered to fit someone precisely. Repeat the sample sentences to get comfortable with the word.
He invested in a tailored suit that fit him like a glove.
The brand offers tailored pieces that flatter many body types.
Next word is vintage. Vintage. This describes items from an earlier era that are valued for their style. Try the sample sentences and repeat them.
She found a beautiful vintage dress at the flea market.
Vintage accessories can add character to a modern outfit.
Next phrase is sustainable fashion. Sustainable fashion. This noun phrase refers to clothing produced with environmental and social responsibility in mind. Say the sample sentences to practice the phrase.
Many brands now emphasize sustainable fashion by using organic cotton.
She prefers sustainable fashion brands that pay fair wages and reduce waste.
Next phrase is statement piece. Statement piece. This noun phrase means a bold item that attracts attention and defines an outfit. Repeat the sample sentences aloud.
She wore a red hat as a statement piece with a simple dress.
A statement piece can turn a basic look into something memorable.
Next word is elegant. Elegant. This adjective describes something graceful, refined, and stylish. Practice saying the sentences slowly to capture the feeling.
The evening gown had an elegant silhouette that stole the show.
Her movements were calm and elegant as she accepted the award.
Next phrase is haute couture. Haute couture. This noun refers to exclusive, custom-made fashion created by top designers. Repeat the sample sentences to practice the term.
The designer showed an extravagant haute couture collection at Paris Fashion Week.
Haute couture dresses are often hand-stitched with rare fabrics and embellishments.
Next word is bespoke. Bespoke. This adjective means custom-made to a person's specifications, often for perfect fit and detail. Try the sample sentences aloud.
He wore a bespoke suit tailored specifically for his body shape.
Bespoke shoes require several fittings to achieve the ideal comfort.
Next phrase is avant-garde. Avant-garde. This adjective or noun describes experimental, boundary-pushing styles. Repeat the sample sentences to master the term.
The designer's avant-garde collection challenged traditional silhouettes.
Avant-garde accessories often use unexpected materials and shapes.
Next phrase is pret-à-porter. Pret-à-porter. This refers to ready-to-wear clothing produced in standard sizes and sold in stores. Practice saying the phrase slowly.
The brand expanded from haute couture to a successful pret-à-porter line.
Pret-à-porter collections make designer looks more accessible to the public.
Next phrase is fashion-forward. Fashion-forward. This adjective describes looks or people who set new trends and push style boundaries. Repeat the sample sentences to practice.
Her fashion-forward choices frequently inspire followers on social media.
The boutique stocks fashion-forward pieces from emerging designers.
Now, let's test your understanding of the words. Choose the correct word that goes in the blank. In this example, the sun shines brightly in the sky, so the answer is C, sun. Okay, let's get started. She packed her favorite blank for the weekend trip. He put together a simple blank for the interview so he looked neat. She loves reading magazines about blank to spot new trends. He looked very blank in the photos because his smile and outfit suited him. After a long flight, she changed into blank clothes to relax at the hotel. The magazine featured a blank celebrity known for wearing chic looks. That hat looks very blank this season. Everyone is wearing it. On Fridays, the office is blank, so employees wear jeans and tees. For the gala, she needed a blank dress and polished shoes. He bought a bag from a famous blank because he loved the design. She renovated her blank to organize work clothes and weekend looks separately. He preferred a blank jacket that fit his shoulders perfectly. She loves shopping for blank pieces from thrift stores that tell story. Many labels are investing in blank to reduce waste and use fair labor. She added a bright necklace as a blank to her simple black dress. The gown was so blank, it looked effortless and refined on the runway. The couture house displayed its most exclusive blank gowns to a private audience. He ordered a blank suit made specifically to his measurements. The show featured blank looks that used radical shapes and materials. The designer launched a new blank line that people could buy in stores immediately. Her bold, experimental looks mark her as truly blank among her peers.
That wraps up our fashion-forward lesson. Now you can describe outfits from basic to runway level and organize wardrobe vocabulary. Please subscribe for more 5-star English lessons. Thank you for watching.